Let's go back to the chart. Screen glow shining in the middle of the night. Candles keep dancing, red turns into white. Some days I'm flying, some days I fall apart, but every road I walk leads me back to the chart. Losses hit heavy, yeah, they test my soul. But pressure makes diamonds and patience builds control. The market ain't against me, it's teaching me to see. Every trade revealing a better version of me. I don't fear the pullbacks, I don't fear the pain. Every storm I weather makes me stronger in the game. So I go back to the chart, back to the candles in the dark. Every win and every scar leaves another lesson on my heart. Oh, price action talking, I listen and learn. Every setback fuels the fire that burns. I stay grounded, trust the process, play my part. No matter what happens, I go back to the chart. Green days humble me, red days make me wise. Success ain't perfection, it's learning every time. Discipline over ego, consistency over hype. The strongest traders grow through every fight. I learned that fear can't fade when the mindset's right. And one bad trade will never define my life. The market's like a mirror showing who you are, teaching self-control beneath the pressure and the scars. I don't chase revenge trades, I don't break my frame. Every candle printed is another step to greatness. So I go back to the chart, back to the candles in the dark. Every win and every scar leaves another lesson on my heart. Oh, price action talking, I listen and learn. Every setback fuels the fire that burns. I stay grounded, trust the process, play my part. No matter what happens, I go back to the chart. Slow gains still count, small wins still go. The patient mind survives what the reckless never know. One trade don't make me, one loss won't break me. I'm building something bigger every single day I breathe. Yeah, I go back to the chart with a stronger mind and heart. Every high and every low, here's another piece of gold. The journey ain't easy, but I know what I'm worth. Every lesson from the market helps me grow on this earth. I keep faith through every cycle, every crash, every start, because the dream stays alive when I go back to the top. Let's go back to the chart.
Hello everybody, hope your party finish. So we are practically starting a new week, and I can tell you that it will be interesting one. I mean, if we see the market, what it's doing right now, I mean, it's absolutely no idea. I mean, for lots of people, I can see, like, I mean, it was difficult. So, I mean, and we are new traders as well, like, like not new, but like, it's difficult for us, a retail trader like us. It's absolutely big boys game today and every day. So let's little bit quickly have a look at the market, then we'll decide what we're gonna do, because live stream is, while I'm doing the live stream, sometimes I don't notice things. Coffee. All right, so let's see where we are and then how we can handle these things today. As usually, everybody know that, please don't follow my trades. You guys have to take your own risk if you follow me, and just do your own research. It's just for entertainment purpose only. We're gonna just we'll try to I can see that quite a lot of people, you are like, watching my video and then checking my lives. Thank you very much for that. But I would not recommend you to take like similar trade I take, because I take trade quickly and then I just come out. So let's go. We have only 4-5 minutes left. Let's do a quick recap of the thingy. Let me see. I can change the things. So difficult, because I never live stream, so it's like, for me it's like really difficult. So this is the another screen. I'm just gonna quickly check with you. Look at this, what they're doing. This is 4 hours. They basically both side they're ranging. Okay, so you can say 50-50. They didn't take out the high in NQ. I'm talking about. Okay, I don't know about ES yet. So I just came to the chart with like you. So look, this low they taken and that high they taken from the previous candle. So where they're gonna go, we don't know. But if you ask me, I would prefer them to like do a little bit of retracement, today and tomorrow is CPI, I think. So it's like a very marketable setup. But if you see the candle like last, I don't want to change it here, sorry, a little bit later we'll talk about it. So I would prefer them to just give us a dip here. But in the meantime, I have to be cautious that the first candle actually already traded this gap. But if you ask me, I mean, look, but it's not like a proper, I will not say it's an order block, but this candle as well, this one taken out, closed here, and this candle closed underneath, okay? And this one taken out this low. I'm thinking if they can, the market open in the beginning, if they can come to these areas. So at least this one, maybe with this one, there is nothing aligned. At least to the low, let's say this is 15 minutes. If I make it a little bit bigger, maybe it'll be better. Yeah, so this is 15 minutes. No, I don't like it. Okay, so this is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, they already taken out something. So they got a little, so from 1 hour, I can see that they have they closed it under this candle. And this candle taken out quite a lot of liquidity. That's the only things I'm hoping, that this candle will not go that further, or if it go as well with 15 minutes, they can go to this gap and they give us a chance to go down. But it might not happen, because this the last few days the market is crazy. So they already taken out this kind of liquidity. I don't know where they're gonna go. So that's why it's all 50-50 trade. Okay, but my idea is to go down. Hopefully they go down. So I'll look for these liquidities. Okay, so that's the things I can say. Let's go to the main chart, and then today we have to focus. Monday is bad day, always take loss. Hopefully we can change it. So they came, they already gonna follow. Okay, I didn't even check what is the news today. Oh, look, more news. So what? This kind of news will come, because they need to kind of like, drag it down. I don't care. I have to trade my trade. So let's say if this one, we check the weekly candle. Look at this previous week. So I'm just thinking if they can come, let's say 50% of this, or around this area, let's say 50% of this. If they do it like a little, even though not 50%, at least this area, 700 area, 500 points to trade, like not today and tomorrow together. And then if they wants to go more high, I don't know, because ES didn't reach the area I am expecting. So they got more to do on the upside. So this is 15 minutes. I'll keep the 15 minutes here, because I'm gonna be today, I have to be focused. So this area, look, all these things are kind of, they didn't take the liquidity. Let's see this candle what they do. If they trade up and they give sign, let me have my coffee, last sip. So at this minute, they're in the low of the new week opening gap here. only thinking like if they can trade a little bit lower. 1 hour already given us like a little bit of confirmation, like I would say. Let me mark my 1 hour low. This candle opening, hope they go up. Yes, 9:30 open, taken out liquidity. What are you gonna do? Do whatever you like to do. Don't fall. What are they doing? Don't fall yet, yeah? Please. I don't want to get trapped as well. I'm just expecting to trade a little bit higher. Yeah, look at this. What a volatility. What you want to do? Look at this. One candle. Oh Lord. Is there anything going on? This is the area. I would love to short, but the problem is that like the last day, I don't want to do something silly. Let's see if they show a sign. Who said what? Somebody said something? No, really not. So what's going on? They're taking out the high. Okay. Go, go, go. Squeeze everybody. So nothing to do today. For me at least. Because it's like completely went against my expectations. So they want to extend. Let them extend. I don't have nothing to do. So they taken out like the other day, exactly the same thing they did like Friday. So they're now going for the all-time high. So I'm just sitting down on my hand for the time being because my expectation was they will trade a little bit low. But look at these candles, how I'm gonna trade. So 100 points up within 2 candles. Trade it. I thought they'll go a little bit up, but not like this. This is crazy. Crazy stuff. Yeah, let them do it. They're squeezing the people. So in the meantime, let me see where they're going with my yes. Oh, what the hell I did. Community, we don't need community. Yeah, they again taken ES is going as well. Yeah, they need to take everything. NQ already taken out the high. Yeah, so that means nothing to do. Cafe. Let's see. Look at this one. Who said what they're doing? We don't even know. But it's fine. Let them trade. We let you extend, man. Nothing else I can do about it. You wanna go? Just go. Yeah, so ES look like 664, let's say 464, 7,463.75. That is the area I'm thinking, like, if they want to go. But I don't want to buy this market like that. It's not my strategy as well, and I'm not like that kind of a trader to catch this kind of things. Let's say when they've gone down, how can you buy it from this kind of area? It's impossible. If somebody say, oh, I bought the inverse, I don't believe them. Anyways, lots of people, they'll say, I bought this IFVG from here and I took it to the moon. Yeah, let them trade this IFVG. Watching. It's like The UK is like hot and cold, so I had like a little bit of cold, so my nose is like blocked. So 5 minutes gone, and then we basically taken some liquidity and gone 150 points up. So now trying to retrace tiny bit. Okay, but don't you stop. You should not stop here. Go, go, go. So let's see, where are they now? Oh no. If you try to readjust the chart, they just go like proper shrink the chart. This is one of the problem when you use these kind of indicators. So they trying to say that they're coming back. All right, it's fine. I don't have no interest in that. So they squeezed everybody, and now they're saying that, oh, we're gonna fall. Do I trust them? Not really. After 5 minutes of trading, good luck with this kind of trading. So they traded the high, taken out today's, what is it called? What time was it? It was, can they fall from here? Why not? But do I want to buy from here? Not really. Can I sell from here? How can I sell it? They can go down, but until the closing certain stage, I will not be able to do that. What is it, 5 minutes? Okay. And I cannot even buy it, because if I buy it from here, I mean, you can buy it. It's the very nice area. It came back. If now create a, let's say, order block. Lots of people are buying from here, 37, this price, because this is the fast presented gap. If you consider it, I don't know. I consider it. Lots of people say, oh, this is the fast presented gap. I'll prefer this one. It's to me, I mean, I don't know, your choice, but I like it. I mean, better the fast candle when they create it. This one give me better opportunity with my understanding. So so now they're showing sign of weakness. Today there is no significant news, so you're gonna see, like, these are only what is it called, 6 months, 3 months bill, 3 years notes as well, high yield. Okay, yeah, there is no other significant things. Around 1 o'clock there are 3 years one. Okay, nothing else I can see, but I really cannot trade like that, because this is ES and NQ. Like, ES didn't take the high, NQ just came back to the top of new week opening gap. I mean, from here I could bought them, but the problem is that I don't know, I cannot do that. This is not the way. I'll rather trade when the volatility a little bit go down. Otherwise, it's too much. Absolutely not the way I want to trade. You can see no trade, yeah. So just watching the market is one of the things I can do, because that's the only things that. So now they in 1 minute they already crossed this one opening price. So This one kind of a order block, okay, but will you consider it and then buy it from there and put your stop loss down there? We got 5 minutes to close up the first 15 minutes candle. So do you think the next candle will go down, or this one you're thinking coming up? We don't know. So I'm gonna concentrate on the how this 4 hours is closing. If it can close like up here, so after next 15 minutes, then it will be interesting to go higher. It's fine. If we don't have trade, we don't have trade. Especially like like I'm talking about this one. Let's say a little bit earlier we were talking about this candle were closed. Look, this one was closed 1 hour. Remember? So 1 hour closed here. Look, this one actually kind of created a order block, but then what they did now? They just went to the sky. So now they've taken out all the high. Will this one close down next 15 minutes here? Then it will be interesting. But the thing is that if you check ES got high to take. Do you understand? Like this high, they didn't take it. So they only traded. I mean, like, look at this chart. I mean, look. I mean, I cannot trust it. Okay, so there's some saying this is better. We are a small fish. We cannot fight with these big boys. That's what I understand. I want to be on their side when they show me sign. I just need I don't need 150 points. Okay, I need 20 points, 30 points. That's it. So if they can give me 20, 30 points when they finish their fight, then I'll try to participate. I have nothing to do. Look, this one is showing sign of we're gonna go down, but do I believe it? Look, so now this one came to trade where? Let's see. Let's do some analysis. Okay, let me go to my chart, actual chart. All right. So now this one is interesting now. It's 50-50 everywhere. Let's see how they go to the silver bullet time. Then maybe they will give us some sign. Absolutely no idea. If it is like silver bullet time, they try to take the high, and then after that, like say, try to show some sign. I don't know, but this one need to close a little bit down. Let's say here if they close under this one, let's say under this line, next 15 minutes they close under this line, and then they take out the high back again, and then they create something around there. Maybe we'll be interested to short, but now how they're going, I don't know. We don't know. Only we can watch. Changing color. I don't know. I have to really set up these things. Otherwise, everything looks same. Oh, look at this. Color doesn't look good, does it? Do they? I don't know which color to put. Yellow looks shit. Something, just put it, man. It's not even showing here. Why not? Maybe the visibility is different. That's why. Sorry. Yeah. Let's show everywhere. Now what happened? Color is so shit. We'll watch this one, okay? What can we do? We can only watch. This color is so bad. Maybe this one is a little bit calming to the eyes. Yeah, watch it, guys. Studies. I'm studying as well. I don't have nothing to do. They came to the there is a gap here, so let's say they created. Question is that 1 minute left. So What they're gonna do, I really don't know. So this is the high they created. ES, I don't know where is ES. Let me see. ES already taken out the high. Okay. So ES is in all-time high right now, and NQ is trading down. So now let's see how this next candle they form. Bullish as well, right? Okay. Good job. But from here I could have bought it, but the problem is that when they came here, but I mean, do you understand? You could take a chance, then you could have get all this run. But I'm not interested today because I'm live streaming. That's why. That's what I'm saying. Like, live streaming is very difficult. If I was not live streaming, I would have taken a shot. Who cares? How much I would have lose from here. But if they even gone 50% of this gap as well, I would have got 1-to-1, more than 1-to-1 even, 1-to-2 maybe. But you say, oh, how did you take this trade? Which logic did you follow? Nothing. Look, 18 points or like 17 points you would have lose. If you even don't want to lose more, you can put it even a little bit higher. Let's say 75% of this one. Even if you go to this, look, this double top is 1-to-2. What here? Do you understand? So this trade, I mean, should I not take it? Because they didn't take out this high. But in NQ, they did it actually. Yeah. The market is very volatile. That's why I didn't have the courage to take it. Anyways, now the new candle is started, 15 minutes. Let's see how they react from this area. ES is going high and NQ is trying to do something. But if you ask me when to get involved for short, either they go up somewhere. I showed you already from 4 hours. And then we'll see. So they actually closed on the top of that one, 4 hour. Remember, look, forget about it. Because I'm watching so many things. Oh, no, sorry, they didn't close this. Sorry. Because there's another 30 minutes left. Let's say how the macro works. So this one, let's say if they close on the top of that, so they've taken out this low, now they close there, what would be the next candle? We don't know. But if this one close under, and then this one take out the high, and then if they show a sign around that area, I'll try to short it from this kind of area, but not now. Now they inside the range. I don't have nothing to do. They're inducing us to take trade. Look, this one as well closed under this. So this high. Let's say if you took a trade from here, only thinking about the 1 minute order block. I mean, there is no sense of this trade, but that could be a trade as well. Look, stop loss will be there. But you can do so many things. But should I do that right now when they are in a bullish condition? Not yet. Let's see. If we don't have a trade, we will not trade today. Discipline challenge. This channel main purpose is to be disciplined. I'm not gonna win until I'm not disciplined. Okay, so I'll show you a little bit later. Like, let's say what kind of things I'm thinking. Making money, you can make it in 1 month even. Lots of people made it like quite a lot of their funded account, and then they went to Payout within a month, 2 months you can do that. But the thing is that every time you get funded, you're losing those things. You basically ruining yourself. That's what I did to myself. Quite a lot of funded account. So now they taken out this high. Now they're creating something. But these kind of things, we're not gonna fall for it. I'm not falling for this at least. You can do that. This will be still now inside this order block. ES already taken it, but I don't want to do that. ES did it. ES may be creating an order block as well, 1 minute order block. But all of them are, let's see if they're creating it or not. Change it. CISD. Now ES didn't do it yet. 11 second, 10 second, 9 second. If it was in silver bullet time, I would have taken it, but it's not in silver bullet time. So I mean, you can take it, but I don't want to. Yeah, they already, ES already confirmed the one as well. But I don't believe it, because remember last time, I don't know how many times I got shocked from here. They should like do something first. Let them close under, they create something. But better things would be to short it from the top in the silver bullet time. Because lots of today as well, like morning session, like sorry, pre-market, there was nice things happened, like here, this trade. So when they took out all this liquidity, they given a nice trade until there. I took it actually with my what is it called, my top step, like very tiny trade, but it was nice. I didn't hold it. When they crossed midnight price, things happening, guys. Watch it. Yeah. Only thing is that today I'm gonna trade with higher time frame confirmation. Otherwise, I'm not trading, because there's no point. Every day I'm just taking short trade. If you if you wanna take it, you can take it if you want. But today I want to see how to, because today is already not like a difficult day, Monday. Because they're gonna create the range today. So we are just observing how basically they're gonna create these things. Look, they already in a daily, weekly close was there, weekly open was there, already created something. So Monday, if it is bullish, if they are bearish, let's say, so the Tuesday can go a little bit down, and then they can do the bearishness. I had the plan, but I don't know from where I'm gonna get engaged. I'm telling you, live streaming is very difficult. Like when they did here, I can see that with the ES as well, they're doing it. So this kind of area, I normally sometimes take. I would have come out here somewhere, but as we want to take a good trade, let's wait, because they are already still inside the range. They can easily be bullish, because this is a fast presented gap. If I cannot mark it here, in future I'll trade with my other chart. So and then I'll do all the analysis there, and then if I take a trade, I'll show you this screen. There is no point of showing like this, but I hope you can see it. Then I could show you other things as well, because so now they created, let's say, this gap. So now ES still not giving up, so they still got power. So I'm not doing nothing, sitting down. You see, sitting down, then I'll take a bullshit trade. That's the problem. These are all with the NQ. I could have taken it to take it down to the fast presented gap was there. Okay, let's see how they trade. Anyways, I really today I want to trade from maybe confirmation trade. They're still on the top of a new week opening gap high. So now, yeah. Let's mark the, okay. So the fast presented gap, they're already trading midpoint of the fast presented gap. They already traded, and where exactly the, what is it called? Midnight opening price. So they're going down. Interesting, from there I cannot trade. They might take out all this low, but I'm not sure. Five minutes. Look at after this candle. How can I trade like this? There is nothing to, no structure to trade on. Look at this. How they're going down like that. Do you believe that the market will fall from there? It can do that, but you know how ugly it is. That's what I'm saying. I'm not that much interested. If this candle closed down, then it will be confirmation that, you know, look, this one taken out all this high. Now this one was the order block, remember? So if they now close down, I don't know how they will react from here. Even the next candle can go high as well. So it's like all 50-50 trading. I'm better I just watch today, maybe. I will wait for 10 o'clock and then we'll see how they trade. Today is like very, very difficult. It will be. So this is 1 hour. We got another. We are in the macro right now. So macro time, what they did, they came down. They went to trade the gap. What they created, and then now they're falling down. Okay, another 4 minutes left. This looks like a, yeah, still on the top of 930 price. And midpoint of the fast presented gap, they still holding. Can be a short, potential short from here, but the thing is that until they're creating something underneath, I have to trade with today with like a little bit of confirmation. I just want to see that if we got 2 minutes left, let's see how they do. It will be very low to short from here. I mean, like, I can do it, but it's just it'll be risky. Yeah, this area I was, in the beginning I was targeting this area, but the thing is that how they traded the fast candle, I didn't like it. So now let's see how they trade. Have to be careful today. So if they close, okay, we are talking about 4 hours, remember? So 4 hours look like they're gonna close under. So then it's good sign for us. The next 4 hour candle, how it will behave. So this one given us a good, what is it called? Indication of, like, if they have further to go, or we can say the previous candle was indecision candle. This is a kind of indecision candle as well. I would really love if the next candle go high and then they could do something. It would be a nice, like a kind of reversal kind of things, not like a reaction. This one I still cannot trust it. Yeah, I can take a shot from here, but is it a good things to do? Because it's already, look, in 1 minute they reach to this gap, so now they're creating this one. Yeah, it's good, that's fine. We missed it, so what can I do? I cannot do anything about it. Traded 930. So when they reached here, yeah, I could have done it, but the thing is that live streaming. No, I cannot do that. Anyways, talking to myself, trying to be disciplined, nothing else, there is nothing wrong here. Slowly we'll build up our confidence, and then definitely we can do something about it. But this one, if you ask me, oh, shall I short it? I can, but the thing is that with what confirmation? What kind of confirmation I have?
10 a.m.
Let's see how they trade now. So yeah, 4 hours already closed it under. Then they created a very bearish thing. So they now trying to go high. Look at this again. They betrayed everybody. So if you are not on the trade from the beginning, from here, let's say, there is no point of entering from here. To me, like is like, because if this one can go directly back as well. So these are the low you can target. But the thing is that, could I like that? How they're trading nowadays, this one can just go high right now as well. So I can't trust it. So this one closed under. So 1 hour now again trying to go high. These are like consolidation. In the higher time frame, this is consolidation. Now taken out this high, let's say. You see this kind of, so lots of people will like get enticed, like you'll be like, I'm gonna miss out. This low is so nice, this low is so nice. What is it? It's gonna ruin your account. Now this candle is your last hope. But shall I take a trade like this? Not really. I used to do that. Not now. But good thing that that 4 hours just gave you like a nice, but 4 hours if they go high and then they come down, it would be so good. But the thing is that from here as well, don't get me wrong, they can fall. But I cannot participate until the closing and giving me confirmation. Look, they came to not even 50% yet. So it's fine, they can come down. So I mean, like, they did it, but the thing is that I cannot like properly trust this this setup. So it's from here as well, I used to short it, but the thing is that, should I do that? Let's see if they create a kind of a order block or something, but not that big order block where I'm gonna put my stop loss. If they would have created something here, so I can put like a smaller stop loss. Maybe I can try it. Maybe. So they are inside the 5 minutes gap here. Okay, so let's see how they react from there. This could be the area. Five minutes gap. If they go down, we will have a chance to enter for sure. It's now silver bullet time. It's only 10:03. Still we'll have chance. Okay, so let it play out fast, because look how they're doing it. They can easily go to the top. They're in the middle of the, look, from here to there. If you see it, they're in the middle of that things. What they're doing, they're just concentrating. You can see from the higher time frame, look what kind of candle they're creating. Is there any sign of going one side or another side? Not really. So if one of these candle was big or showing sign, there was possibility. But now it's just, I can gamble. But should I gamble because I'm live streaming? So if you don't want to watch it, don't watch it. Just go to the check the where I take the trades, and that's it. And anyways, this channel is for me, basically. I'm trying to build up my confidence and discipline. That's what I'm doing here. If you watch my series, you can just see what I do. You can see maybe like if you're new to trading, but if you're an experienced trader, you don't need to watch me at all. There are so many educators there. I'm not teaching anybody anything, okay? Okay, this one came to 50. So this candle is the last like line of sand kind of things, okay? So they still like, look, the top still didn't trade. So now they look at this, what they're trading. So now if they take out this high, sorry, this, what the hell is that? This high, I don't know. After that, there is a little gap there. This is not the chart I actually check. I'm just put it for your visibility, okay? So this is the 4 hours. This candle high I was talking about, okay? So now they kind of inverted this little gap from there, and then they trading there, not giving up. So 1, 2 candle they inverted. So now they taken out this candle high. So the first time came there, they no reaction. They holding this one. Let them create something. If they go down, we'll have chance. Let's see how they react from this area. So how they've gone now, they may be manipulated already, people. Because look, they left like this. So now this high with ES is like a big SMT. But do you think NQ just didn't go anymore? NQ just stopped here. Let's see if they reach here, how they react from there. So ES is as well holding. There's a gap there, little gap. Question is that will ES create another high? ES got more room to go, truly speaking. Today I'm gonna take a trade from an order block, nothing else. Okay, every time they create an order block from somewhere, we'll take a trade. But without order block, no confirmation. Like normally, if they gone there, I would have taken a trade. This gap. But today, let's wait. Look, they already coming. They already traded. Okay. So now they traded. What they traded? Let's see. Look, these are the series of down close, up close candle. Okay, so let's see opening price of that things. This one. Okay, how they react from there. Let's see. So this candle, let's see. So they came to the 50% of this gap. Okay, but these candles, look at this. How big is it now? Will they create a look? Already 1, 2 gap they created. This is the third one they're creating, and they already inverted. Look, the other side of this. So is it like a bullish order flow or bearish order flow? Still now is nothing. So from here, how they react, let's see. To me, is dangerous. So now this candle from here is becoming interesting, but I will only trade with ES confirmation, because ES is already trying to create something higher. They're already trading. There is a gap. They already closed on the top of that. Let's see if this candle they can close underneath. We'll trade displacement today. Look, this one. They traded on the low, but they didn't close. The next candle can, if they go down, this will be B. But if they don't go down, they will, they will fart around here. Yeah, so they closed down at least this, this side, this one, they closed down. Signs, good sign of like doing something downside, truly speaking. It can be the beginning, but I have to I would love if they would close down properly here. Let's say this one closed down, next candle came up, I would be short already, and my stop loss would be on the top. 10 past 15, next candle is starting. Let's see, 5 minutes, we are inside. Okay, this 5 minutes candle got only 10 seconds left, and they didn't come back to their gap, so no short yet. Not happy how they're trading. Okay, so now this 5 minutes candle, I have to wait next 15 minutes until, if this 5 minutes candle create an order block here, then we can try to trade the next 5 minutes, maybe next 15 minutes candle. If I want like a confirmation, we want to trade confirmation, we'll wait for confirmation. Okay, so ES was stronger before, now ES is showing sign of weakness. That's interesting. Like this one, SMT is with ES, it created. So ES was, before it was ES taken out all the high. So this is the interesting point, truly speaking. Let this 5 minutes trade. I'm not believing this one yet. Look at this. This market is just, look how quickly they move one side to another side. And especially when they're going upside, they're like going like crazy. I don't know. What is this? Should not trust this. Let's wait. Downside possibility is more. This one is like a kind of displacement they're doing. Let's see how they close. And if they create any gap. I cannot trade like that, okay? I have to see confirmation. Today we'll trade with confirmation, okay? We need proper confirmation. Shall we trade ES? I never traded ES in my life. I don't know. I shouldn't do nothing. I should watch it. Watching the price is nice as well. If I was not live streaming, I mean, watch for a while, see what they do, you know, record your emotion, you know, this kind of thing is nice, not bad. Look, this gap is still holding. Can you see? So they didn't close underneath. But this can be potential. You know, if they have to go down, they will go down next 15 minutes. Let me see. Sorry, I'm just too much into 1 minute chart. I cannot be like that. I have to see how the 15 minutes is doing. They are doing nothing. They're just going up and down, up and down. So if they close like this, next 2 minutes left, 2.5 minutes left. What are they doing? What are they doing? Nothing. So the 5 minutes came to the 50% of that bearish gap, what they created before. Look here, look this one, 50% of that, and then they trying to go high. Should I trust this kind of things? Not really. Look at this 15 minutes. I mean, we have to wait. We have to wait. Sorry for the today's one. You didn't have fun. No interesting trade. I mean, normally I don't stay that long. So anyways, I'm gonna go soon. But let's see if they create any opportunity for us so that I can at least take one trade in front of you. Otherwise, I'll trade later on. But if I have any profit or loss, I'll show you. Sorry, last time I couldn't show you because last, I think, which day was it? Oh, the last Friday. Yeah, just 34. I made it. Somehow I ran away because I had to work. So yeah, we are going with the what happened to my other one. Everybody know about it. So the last one, what I did, look here, we did so well. Look here, good, discipline, and then after that, what I did, one day we stopped everything. Okay, so this one is a So I'm like, now what happening? I'm just writing it down. What is my faults? So this is whose fault is it? It's my fault. It's not the prop firm told me to do. The prop firm gave me an account and then they told me, oh, take your time as long as possible. Take 2 months, 3 months, just pass it slowly, slowly. So how I was going, I was already 50% of the account. Yeah. If I traded same way another 2 weeks, I would maybe pass the account. And after that, I could have just go to the funded account and do the same things. Another 1-2 months, I could have earned my salary, proper salary, with only one prop account. So they given me the chance, but this is my fault. I'm not taking it, isn't it? So this is whose fault is it? It's my fault. What I did. What is the mistake? When I was wrong, I couldn't accept it. Tiny bit of loss, I cannot take it. So let's say I had $300 loss here when I was live stream, and then I stopped my live streaming and then I revenge traded. So what was the mistake I did here? Like all this little gain, and one day I stopped it, like completely ruined it. So I'm like putting my, what is it called? Like the trading errors I'm doing. What Mark Douglas said. Like I still remember one of his things he used to say about that this kind of problem. So he said it like kind of things like eating like a bird and shitting like an elephant. So you just taking little profit, and one day you just proper So that terms always stick to my head. Sometimes I laugh about it, like eating like a bird and shitting like an elephant. So this is the problem. Okay. So those are trading errors. We have to mark it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm kind of documenting myself, plus I'm finding out my mistakes. So this is the one of the mistakes. How to avoid it? I noticed that I know in the top step I've got like a setting option, like let's say you can set that I don't want to lose more than 500 or something like that. So let's say I already had 1500 on this account. So on that day, 300, I lost it. Even if I lost 500, I still would have 1000 left. And I could have tried it next few days, what I'm doing right now anyways. So you can see my new account. So like if I go there, look here. So I'm doing it already. So these 2 days, so that day I lost the account maybe. And then the next 2 days I already made it. So same thing. That day if I didn't lose it, I had 100. So 100. So already I would be already 300 up maybe. And I would have traded better, because why? Because I would have confidence. Now look, I'm scared to take a trade. Why? Because I lost the account in front of you. So that 1 days of loss is like now given me kind of like a shock, and I cannot now take risk, because it will take time to take risk when I slowly have to build it up back again. So these are the things I'm documenting. That is the only reason I came live. Otherwise, there is no other things to do here. Okay. So live streaming, what I'm gonna achieve from this? Nothing. So you may be watching it. You can see my things. Maybe it will inspire me. If you see my journey, it could inspire you if you're a new trader. Maybe I'm doing the mistakes. You know that you do it as well. So if we are trying to fix it together, I mean, anything. Okay. If I can be helpful. So yeah, the main purpose is to understand the trading errors I'm doing. So I'm I'm working on my psychology basically. So this channel is only to create discipline, nothing else to do. Okay, so I'm not achieving anything from here. So when I'm live, I'm talking to you guys. So I'm just recording myself as well. So yeah, those mistakes, if I can find out, I'll tell you so you can see it as well. So that's how we'll take this channel forward. Nothing else to do. And you can see that I don't stay that long. I just stay like in the morning time. But trading is fun. Okay, that's the reason I'm sticking with these things, because I love it. Look how nice it was that I didn't short it from here. So many times I did it. So like as I'm live streaming in front of you, lots of people, what they will do here. And truly speaking, look at this chart. Is it a good price action to trade? Like, look, this is the 1 minute. Okay, So let's make it bigger. Look here. When you see breaking down things like that, this gap, think about it. 1, 2 gaps. How many times they said it? Oh, after a market breakdown, you create 2 gaps. The first gap, as soon as it comes, you take a trade and put your stop loss on the top of the second candle. If it is the second breakaway, so on the top of that, or on the top of the candle they're creating here. There were lots of people who would have done. Look at what they did. So they came back to 930 price. What they did, they completely reversed to the other side. So let's say slowly they will take your money. So it was good that didn't trade it, isn't it? So look at ES now, what they did. ES just gone bonker. NQ is struggling. So ES didn't confirm it, remember? So that's the things that we are learning. So this is art of waiting. Okay, so that's the only things I need to learn. Money will follow, hopefully. And not too much into money as well. Anyways, I love trading because it's like very nice things to do. You can talk about lots of other things, economy, psychology, how we are reacting with the price, so everything is very interesting things to do. So I mean, I'm not saying too many things right now because I don't have any proof, isn't it? So everybody wanting proof. So this is what's going on with ES and NQ. Look, so ES, look what they did. So this was the gap they created. Lots of people would have taken trade from there, put their stop loss at the top of that because they created it, or they didn't inverted nothing. So, but you can say, candle closure here. So midpoint of this one, they closed it. So next candle, maybe they say, they created another gap. Let's take a trade from here and put our stop loss here. They would have just to kick our ass. That's what they would have done. So that's what they're doing right now. They're just squeezing everybody, okay? So these things became like big boys game. I told you. It's like absolutely never seen something like that, okay? But the area was, so look at this area. Nice area, isn't it? If you see weekly, maybe you'll find a gap there. Yeah, look at this weekly gap. This gap they came to trade, never closed it on the 50%, and then they did the thing. So it's all a nice and measured move. I mean, it's not that they did it. Oh, why they did it? Why they came here? If you see, you'll find some reason for that as well. Maybe if you check this low and take this high. So I mean, like, projection was what? Like first time, look, 1.5 they came. 50% of that move they extended, and then they came back to the high of this one. It's like proper classic support and resistance. Okay, so they came here, got supported, and then they're shooting. So I mean, where they can go now, you again project. That's what I do. I don't know I'm doing right or wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. So I know all my things are right. I just do this way because I got the fee and everything. So I know, like, look, this is the 50% of this one. So if you take 50%, you go that side. This is the 50%. So if it is like a one standard deviation move, they have more to do. Okay, simple as that. So put this one like 2. So you'll find anything. Lots of people target 2.5, but this one didn't reach even 1.5. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that they might like go higher maybe for a while. So who am I to say it as well? Like, these are just like a prediction. Prediction is not any strategy. Okay, so we trade short term. We don't need to think about like that. So I mean, this move, lots of people, what's going on? Yeah, it doesn't make sense. So I was talking on that day, like, Iran war was started, I think, something like a March, something, what time was it? 28th of March or something like that. Somewhere here, maybe. I actually, truly speaking, I forgot. So somewhere here, let's say. So that's what I was talking about, like, oh, the economy is so good now. All of a sudden, it went there. It's still the war is going on. So we don't know what is this. So this is like kind of like, what's going on right now. To me, what I'm understanding is like, the AI boom. So people is still investing, and these are not general people. These are big people. So I mean, to me, what is my understanding? And then another thing, they hoping that the new Fed chair is selected as well. So I think Kevin Walsh, or his name is. So Jerome Powell is leaving, and Kevin Walsh is gonna take over, and he's appointed by President Trump. So he's a like a, what is it called? Dove, I think. Like, I mean, he was always like known for his talking about interest rate cut or something like that. So they might thinking that the interest rate has to be down. Maybe this kind of move, and then the money printer will be on again. So if there is money, where those money will go to the people, the rich people, the big boys. And if they have money, what they're gonna do? They're gonna invest somewhere. So this is the sign. These kind of things I didn't understand when I saw, like, what is it called, 2000 COVID time, like this one. When they did like this, I thought, oh, the market should crash. Supply chain completely broke down, But look at this run, and it still is running. Look, the market was 9,000. I've seen it, this one. And then they came all the way down there. Anyway, something happening in the market. Let's observe. So they're coming back again. Sorry, this kind of discussion. I'm saying, like, this kind of discussion is fun. I mean, that's the reason we trade. I trade, at least. I don't know what about you. You might want to be millionaire. I don't want to be millionaire. Millionaire is not the main goal. Millionaire you can be, but this is not the reason. It's just I trade. I just trade for to talk about this kind of things. I could have my friends, sitting over, and we discuss about these things. It will at least something to do for my rest of my life. So that's the only reason I'm trading. So now they're taking out this high, and then now they're giving me this run. Can I trust? These are the one. I mean, if I was not in front of you, I would have traded for a while. I would have even go from the top when I saw this one taken out, this one. But today let's not do any silly thing in front of you. I'm telling you, like, this one is I'm gonna trade it, this account. We will see. Let me analyze back again. Back to the chart. Okay, now the other 15 minutes started. Okay, 5 minutes already. Okay, good job. 5 minutes closing, but this one coming back. This one is nice. Anything happen? Because the Trump will talk. Look at this. Run already happened. It's all right. Still didn't cross our fast presented gap. Still trading. Only thing is that the ES 4 hours is like so bullish. But this one I can maybe give it a chance. So taking out high, now taking out this low, then what they're gonna do? I don't know. Today I'm not that much confidence to take trade. Yeah, they're taking out this low. I don't know. Look how many gap they created. Now they closed. Let's see how they created this gap. I might give it a shot from this gap. I know it's very low, and I should not. So I would only think that they're taking out this high, they're taking out this low. The question is that will they create a gap here? It's not a, I mean, it's very, but my stop loss has to be very, on the top of this one maybe. I'm not gonna be too much greedy. I'll take it like a short to just to give it a shot, okay? Just if they give me a chance over there, okay? If they come on the top, if they don't go away, if they don't run away. So they closed, oh Lord, they gone. What are you gonna trade? You already taken the low? All right, it's all right, all right, all right. So now they need to come up a little bit. Yeah, so now they're given me a little bit of confirmation. Let's see if they can do something. 930 price, they came back again. Risky trade because they taken out this already 930 is low. They taken out this one. No closure. I mean, if they're like in a ranging mood, what they are already, but we have to take a trade today, isn't it? Let me see. I'll take a shot from here if they reach to that gap. They didn't, so they came to 930 price. I needed as they taken out this low, I cannot that much trust this one. They can even go back, but it's fine. I don't want to trade today. If they go up, let's see. I'll take a shot and I'll take a loss. They could even come to this area back again. Okay, so that's what I have to be careful as well. Yeah, they traded this low. Let me concentrate. Fast presented gap under, they closed it. That's a good sign. So under 930 price they closed it. That's a good sign. What else I need to see? I need to see that they trade a little bit higher and try to do something. So they already closed down under the new week opening gap. They didn't close it. They closed down and they came back. Okay, this is the good confirmation now. But the thing is that my things are locked. I don't know why. Oh my God, look at this. Not good sign. Not good at all. I cannot look at this. The chart is freezing. What are the, should I keep this kind of things? Chart proper froze. I'm like crazy, man. I don't know. Should I? This one's crazy. I never seen something like that. Trade C sometimes I know is a better version, but this is very bad. Now what I pressed it just, and it just froze. I just froze. I should have cut it, but it's all right now. What can I say? Let me see where they already taken out all the lows, and I got frozen. Such a bad. This one can easily come back right now. It's absolutely rubbish. Didn't like it, seriously. This one I pressed it here, and then just it filled me up there, and because the chart got frozen. Not good, not good. It's absolutely not good. I might get saved, don't worry. It's like hopefully because if it is a run, what? Okay, let me see the ES. Yeah, it's fine. It's just only with one. But it's not good like how they did it. Yeah, yes, like yes, created a 15 minutes order block as well. So I mean, we have to be hopeful. So now ES trading the 50% of that already traded it. So if they don't go down, yeah, we might have a better loss. Didn't like it. This one is gonna be a big loss today. They're coming back. How they're coming back is not a good sign. So now they traded 930 price again. At 930, go high now. I'll add another one maybe a little bit later. I should not do that, but I will do that. I have to take risk, but this one need to go a little bit higher to that gap where I initially thought that I will take a trade. This one is bad, yeah? I'll not consider this one as a trade. My trading idea was from there. but now it's like it did too much. I could like today, because ES already traded. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right. Let it go. So they didn't trade the gap, they have to trade that gap. Yeah, so I'm adding another one, and I'm gonna add more if they go higher. This one is like, I'll take the loss. Okay, so like this one is not good for me. Like what I did, it was not a good thing. So what I did, they need to, if they need to do it, they have to do it from here. All this time didn't trade it. Look, see, this is the problem. But I pressed it here. They just took me down there. So now I have to create a position now. But this is not good. They already taken out all this liquidity. Look, everything cleared. So now this one is the, could be one of those trade. Little bit higher, please. 20. Yeah, I'm adding another one, and then I'll add more here. I know I could get burned today, but 500 is the loss. I'll take it. Okay. So ES already went high. Three already. It's proper novice trading. It's fine. I'll add up to 5. Yeah. But this can be completely bullish, and then they go high. So they reach to that. Okay. They don't have power. They have to close down under 930 very fast. If they don't do it, they have to do it very fast, quickly. Like they're not like that. They cannot stop there. They need to create an order block. They're already on the top of the 930 price, so I have to be careful here. What to be careful? I already taken the risk. So this one didn't show a good sign. This one means they're gonna go higher. Not good, man. Very bad. Yeah, this one sign is not good sign. Okay, let's a little bit check it. Some other stuff. So this low already 38. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Yeah, they're going higher. This one can toast me. This one 50. Yeah, this one was not good. Because ES now proper, only I'm believing that ES created an order block in 15 minutes. That's the only things can save me. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes. Let's see what they're doing. They're just ranging, see, and I got trapped into the in the middle part. It's fine. We'll take the loss. 60, 70. Yeah, the next one is this trap. Quite a lot of time I got it as well, but I'm gonna be believing in this one that I might get saved as well. If there is like a little deep, I might get saved, but I don't know, because this one is not a good things to do. So they can, but I'm believing in this one, this range. I'll add more. They already know that I'm gonna add more. If they go there as well, I'll add some extra, but I know that I'll get lost. So they came to now 50. It's all right. I'm gonna take loss, but at least like also I tried it. Yeah, this one, everything saying that they did something. Only I'm just thinking like ES made it. So ES made a 15 minutes order block. That's the only things I can say it, but didn't invert it. That's the things. So not sure. 39. Bet 4 already. See, what are you gonna do? They trapped us. This is for more trade, okay? Because this one, even like let's say I was talking from there, so why I didn't just enter it from there? Because it was displacing. So low was there. So I mean, this one retracement trade is alright, but this is not a good one because they already taken out significant lows. But today's low they didn't take out. That is another thing I can say that it might save me. But look at this price. When they're coming down, they're not coming down with force. So this is one of the problem. This one can easily grind up. This is things they're doing. Next candle easily can, only 3 minutes left. Now, yes, absolutely not holding it. So this one can be a loss for us for today. $68, okay. Only I thought because they've taken out this high. Yeah, they already did something very, very wrong. All this good talk, where did it go? Into vein. But now they're giving you pain, proper pain, and they will go high, look like it. ES didn't give us anything. Because how they're stopping is not a good thing to do. And you see how they trade the next candle. The next candle doesn't look like a bearish to me. Because this candle was supposed to be like a little bit proper stupid price action. And I given them the chance to look at this. One candle down, one candle up. So this is sign of they're going up. But I'm just only watching the fib level. That's it. My invalidation point is on the top of that one. So it's normal that I cannot believe in that. But this one is very, very good chances of going up because ES didn't respect arrow. So this one, rather than getting tilted, if I'm just hoping that they give me like a chance to come out with little loss. Monday. There is no sign. There is no sign of going down. We got 1 minute left to the next candle. They squeeze me. They found me. Think about it. From here, slowly, my entry became where at 12. But this one just can go up because how they left this high, this easily can go high, easily. I'm just only hoping that if they give me, but I don't think they will give me because the next candle already started, and how they created the highs, like seriously, like they just gonna keep continuing going higher. I'll take another chance from this area, but it's not a good things to do, okay? Because I'm just dollar cost averaging. So this one, do you think the next candle can go down? No way. This is only going up. This is the last line of sand, you can say. But this candle, there is no way they can fall. This one reached to the last area where they could reach. This one. So now this candle, they're inducing people to enter back again. Where is my 41? They already reached to 60. 81. So they now coming down. Where they can come. There is no power. So these are, I mean, just coming down to induce people. Look, when they came down, how quickly they came down. Now where is the power? There is nothing there. Because they know people shorting, people like me, you know. Look, this one doesn't have no power. This one was the like a last line of sand. So this one, so as they're not doing it, this is not the trade I wanted to trade. This is not the discipline I wanted to show. I can clearly see that it is going up, but you know, like look, because of the red things you see, you know, you cannot accept this loss. That's the things, you know. Last time we didn't take this loss. This time, what should I do? I take it and then say bye bye to the stream today because 11 o'clock coming, so they can even easily go higher, and from there they can do anything. Okay, so I'm trading with 50-50 chances. This trade market didn't do nothing. So this low they created, I don't even know, maybe there was a news. Look, reviewing project freedom. Trump talk. Got trapped in Trump talk. So we are in 12. To come to 12, less chances. Now the whole world will stop. Nothing gonna happen after that. Yeah. So I would say, you know, I take at least 500 and I just come out. But this one doesn't look like anything gonna do that. Anyways, guys, couldn't kept my discipline. So like, it's not about discipline. I tried it, but it didn't work. And 5, I took it because I just have to average it. So it's fine. I just took it because, but the trade I should have taken it before. Okay. So this one we just saying bye bye, or we see that if they retrace a little bit less loss. That's the only things I can think of. So now they're trying at least, but I don't think they coming to. Do you think they'll give us? No way. This is just a retracement, I would say. I just thinking like if they came to what is it called, the fast presented gap, but this one, where they came down. Okay, yeah, they might go up. Last line. There's nothing happening. I'm trading with myself. Look like. Yeah, they're gonna definitely go high. Difficult day, man. Yes, already taken out another high, and this one is not doing nothing. Feel like cut it. Part of me saying that a little bit hold it for a while because the hope, So they come down around this area, then maybe they could give you chances. But actually, this is a going high. I think that's it. So today I'll take this loss and say bye bye to you guys. Still holding it because the hope, but hope is not a strategy. So I would say better I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I still, I'll make my trade and try to recover it later on. But if I kept the initial idea or traded the trade I wanted to trade, I could like this just like absolutely no way I can trade this market. This is proper going high, but I'm still hoping that they're coming down, but I don't think so. They're just waiting for somebody to say something. It's better, I take the loss and then we cut it, yeah. So we took 616 loss. I'll trade it. It's not that I'm gonna stopping here. We'll try to recover something if I can. If I cannot, if I lose it, it will go to my balance sheet. Okay. So by saying that, I'm gonna say bye bye. Take care of yourself, and couldn't show you better trade because it's not a good day to trade. Okay. So better we don't lose our confidence, and we'll start back again another time. So take care. I'll talk to you again. Bye bye. Yeah.